Hi everybody, I have a challenge log from Haribo. It's cockwomble by Dmac. Nice beating on the key. Come on, focus. Okay, let's put him in a vise and see that I can open as quickly as without camera. Okay, working. So, tension wrench and my new multi-pick add-on pick. All set. And 6 is binding. Maybe a deep one. Yeah, definitely a bit deep hook from add-on set, so called 0.5 millimeters. Oh, more deep false. Oh, what a deep false! Very, very deep false set. This is a tricky part here. It's a tricky one here. So something tricky is going on here. No, 1, 2, no. 3. No. Some trick is going on here. 2, no, no. Wow, deep false set. Phew. I thought I was open. Yeah, it's not an open. So deep false set, Jesus. Easy, easy now. What the crazy lock. Let's find the binder. Yeah, it's an open. Woohoo! Yeah, let's gut it to see what we got inside. Whew. Whew. Open is the first challenge log that I open on camera. This is from Dmac. tough one. So deep fall set that I couldn't imagine. Whew. Let's take a cup. Okay. Let's got it like this. My camera and my phone, not my camera. Okay, here it is. Let's grab the tools. Oh. Okay. Let's make room to gut it. It's not going to be an easy gutting because it's a challenge lock and it has weird pins. Let's see. Oop. Poți să-mi prinzi becul, te rog. Mersi. Let's make some light here. I think it's the worst video, lockpicking video. Okay, let's always use a shim. It's the golden rule of lockpicking when you gut it. Yes, I like to gut locks. I started lockpicking because I like to see what's inside, how it works. Easy now. Uh-oh, no, there's a problem here. Yeah, yes, this way. So tight. Yeah. First pin. What crazy things. Dmac's done it here. This is cockwomble by Dmac. What a crazy pins. Okay. Excuse me, my voice. I'm recovered from COVID. It's the 4th day. And it's a happy day. I succeed to make an entry on the Dmac's giveaway. Now I open a challenge lock of Dmac's. I succeed to open it on camera. Oh, so tight, I can't get out the shim. Yeah, I can do this trick all day long. Now, let's see what we got here. Oh my man, some nasty crazy man. Let's drop the spring. Yeah. My light is on my head. Yeah. Okay, second pin, not the craziest shit. But the fourth spring, it's very deep inside. the spring doesn't come out. No. And we won't force it. No, I don't want to damage something here. The 5th spring and the 6th driver fucking serrated pin and the spring. Cuckoo. Yeah. Whew. Cockwomble by Dmac. Let's grab the camera. Oh my god. I want to do something bad here. Okay. This is the spring. This is the pins. With my phone. I record with my phone. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good night. Bye bye.